Okay, Daddy, it's Monday night. It's 13 February 2012, and it's your first night gone to Hawaii, and we're going to tell you good night now. Okay, Evan, you go.
I just wanted to tell you that I miss you, so I wanted to tell you night, sleep tight, sweet dreams, and love you, see you when you get home.
Okay, where are you looking at? Because the camera's not down on the floor, it's up here. Okay. Okay, William, look up at the camera, not at the floor. Okay, what are you going to tell Daddy? It's Monday night, Daddy, and this is my night for Monday night.
I want to say night to you because that I missed you so much. And now it's time. See you in the morning.
Alright, night-night, Daddy.
Night. Can I see the video?
Madeline says, night-night, Daddy.
Can I see the video?
Later. Love you, night-night.